Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss with you the topic of the dangers of platonic love. Platonic love is an emotional state that many people experience in their lives, but is sometimes overlooked. In this video, we will explore what platonic love is, why it can be dangerous, and ways to deal with it. Platonic love is falling in love with someone intensely, but not being able to reciprocate that love. In this case, the person can often experience frustration, pain, and emotional distress. So what are the dangers of platonic love? Unhappiness in relationships. The platonic lover may be unhappy because he cannot have a real relationship with the person he loves. This can keep the platonic lover in a constant state of dissatisfaction and inner distress. Also, the platonic lover may have trouble focusing on real-life relationships and miss opportunities for true love. Risk of self-harm. Platonic love can increase one's tendency to self-harm. The platonic lover, who cannot get together with the person he loves intensely, may experience a feeling of hopelessness and depression. This can increase the risk of harming one's own health. Social isolation. The platonic lover may turn to social isolation because he cannot have a real relationship with the person he loves. They may exhibit behaviors such as withdrawing from other relationships, avoiding friends, and social activities. This can make the platonic lover feel even more lonely and weaken the social support network. Emotional obsession. The platonic lover may develop an intense emotional obsession with the person they love. This obsession can prevent the person from focusing on other areas of life and make it difficult to progress in a healthy way. Also, the platonic lover may obsess over the person they love, violating their personal boundaries. Missing out on true love. Because the platonic lover is so focused on the person they love, they may overlook potential love opportunities they may encounter in real life. This may prevent the platonic lover from having a real relationship and cause him to miss out on a happy love affair. With this video, you learned more about the dangers of platonic love. It is important to prioritize yourself in order to understand the dangers of platonic love, manage this situation, and move forward in a healthy way. See you in the next video. Bye.